This video is going to show you how to get rid of your plantar fasciitis. If you felt that pain on your heel or the bottom of your foot when you first step in the morning when you get up from bed, you might have plantar fasciitis. The plantar fascia is a thick band of tissue that runs from your heel to the base of your toes. It helps form the arch of your foot. That's why when you have plantar fasciitis, the pain is in the first few steps. It may not be in the morning. It may be when you've been sitting for a while and you stand up. The first few steps will be very painful, but then after that, the pain goes away. So here are 3 exercises that will help you get rid of your plantar fasciitis. And stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a bonus tip on how you can prevent the plantar fasciitis from coming back again. The first couple of exercises I'm going to show you are great because you can do them before you get up in the morning while you're on your bed. So that way you can avoid having that pain when you first step. So the first exercise is I want you to bring your foot up like this, and then I want you to lock your heel, lock your ankle into dorsiflexion, which is pointing up. So we're locking it this way, and then with your other hand, I want you to pull your toes into extension, going up like this. So when you lock it this way, you're going to stretch your Achilles tendon and your calf muscle, and then you're going to be stretching your toes going into extension. And this will stretch your plantar fascia here. Hold it for 20 seconds, you relax, and do it 3 repetitions. Now you might feel some pain with this stretch, but that's okay because it stretches the fascia so that when you first step, it doesn't hurt as much anymore. Now for the second stretch, we're gonna use a towel like this. So let me show you what to do. So you're going to put your towel on your bed, and then you're going to put one part of the towel underneath and then the top here. So what you're doing is you want to pull your ankle into dorsiflexion again, which is your toes pointing up. So you're going to pull on the towel on this part, and then you're going to not only pull up because that stretches the Achilles tendon, which is good, but then you want to pull it slightly down because you want to extend your toes. When you do this, you're going to feel the stretch on your Achilles tendon, and also you're going to feel the stretch on your plantar fascia. And hold it for 20 seconds. Repeat it 3 repetitions. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. For the third exercise, we're going to do an ice massage. For this, we're going to use an ice water bottle. So basically, it's just a water bottle that you're going to put in the freezer and let it freeze. Something like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to step on it like this, extend your toe. So starting from the ball of your foot, you're going to roll it, put the pressure all the way to your heel, and then you're going to roll it back. Nice and easy. And again, nice and slow. You're gonna roll it back. So this is great because it does 2 things at the same time. One, it ices your plantar fascia, which helps get the inflammation down. And then the other thing is it does a deep friction massage or a soft tissue work. So that way it can help decrease that pain and increase that tissue extensibility of your plantar fascia. And you can do this for 5 minutes a couple of times a day. Now my bonus tip for you to keep your plantar fasciitis away permanently is to wear shoes that has good arch support. Because if you have low arch or you have flat foot, which is your arch is flat, it will stretch your plantar fascia all the time. It will get irritated, and that irritation will eventually lead to inflammation and pain. So if you have shoes that have good arch support, it will maintain the arch of your foot and it will not irritate the plantar fascia anymore. And that will prevent the plantar fasciitis from setting in. And another thing that will help you maintain the arch of your foot is by strengthening your toe flexors. I recommend doing toe curls, and you can see how they're done in the next video.